Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to model and create this toy train stack just like the one seen here. Let's go ahead and get started. Come on up here to File and we'll start a new design. Let's go ahead and start a sketch on our XY plane here. Alright, I'm going to grab our line tool and I'm going to create a line that goes across here 0.25 inches. I'm going to type in 0.25 into the highlighted blue section. I'm going to zoom in now. Okay, I'm going to come back and grab my line tool again, and I'm going to go up a distance of 0.25 inches. And we're going to draw another line now up here, sort of in this general vicinity up here, and just click. And now we're going to hit escape, and we're going to dimension this guy so that it is 1.5 inches from the bottom here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. Hit escape. Actually, no, I'm going to leave my dimension tool. Make sure you're in dimension mode here. I'm going to click here and click here. And if you look at our dimensions here, we want that distance. It's the diameter of 1.25. So we want the radius to be 1.25 divided by 2. So we want the radius here. Okay. And I'm going to grab my line tool here and I'm going to come across. And I'm going to click on that y-axis as best I can. Then I'm going to come down. And I've completed my loop. I'm going to hit escape now. And this is important or you will not be able to draw a sketch later on top of it. You need to put a perpendicular constraint right there. Make sure that's 90 degrees. It may look like it, but we can be certain by putting a perpendicular constraint there. I'm going to hit escape now. I'm going to finish my sketch. And I am going to revolve it. Come on over here to revolve, click on the axis you want to revolve it around, and then hit OK, and that looks good. Alright, now I'm going to start a sketch here on the top of my choo-choo train stack. It's fun to say choo-choo train. Alright, so I'm going to come over here to create, and I'm going to select project here, and I want to project this diameter, or this circle right here, and I'm going to hit OK. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead now and finish our sketch. And I'm going to extrude this guy up a distance of 0.25. And I want to taper this guy 15 degrees. So right over here where it says taper angle, not positive 15, but minus, so I want to type in minus 15 degrees. Okay, and that should do it. Just hit OK. Okay, and now I'm going to start a sketch again on the surface of this part. And I'm going to come over here to create, and I'm going to grab a point. And I'm going to select a point right here in the center. Okay, I'm going to hit escape and I'm going to finish my sketch. Alright, and now I'm going to come over here to hole and I'm going to click right here and I want to select the counter bore and make sure it's just a simple hole. And now I want to put in my dimensions here. Okay, I want that to be, and it looks like dimensions are already there from the last time I made this. So I want this distance right here. Okay, I want that distance to be, let's see here, 0.875, and a depth of this counter bore 0.375. Okay, so type in 0.375. I want the overall depth here of my hole to be 1.5. Okay, and I want this diameter here of my hole to be 0.375. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Okay, and that's it. We got to do one more little thing here. We got to come on over here and we got to add a chamfer, and where it says modify here, I'm going to come on down here and select chamfer, and right there it's going to be 0.01, and that chamfer is just there probably to either deburr it or to make the entrance to the hole when you go to insert it into the choo-choo train body. It'll make it a little easier. All right, and then hit OK. All right, and the last thing we always want to do is assign a material. Modify. We'll come on over to physical material, and we're going to give it a material of wood. So we're going to come on down here and click wood, and then we're going to scroll all the way down, and not all the way down, and we're going to do oak red, and we're going to drag it over there. Okay, and when you're done, of course, don't forget to save it, and I'm going to call this stack 2 because I've already made one, and I'm just going to hit save. Okay. And that'll do it for this part. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.